Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. Oops, got to move my microphone. I just got my Stampin' Up box, so I'm quite excited. So I thought I'd better open it. Just get my live up over there so I can see what's happening. See if anyone's here. So I'll be live tonight at 8:30 anyway, and tonight I'll be making a card. So I thought I'll just open up my box so that we can see what I've got. So I'm pretty sure this is my workshop order. Just open that. Stampin' Up going. My little scissors. Make sure it is the workshop order before I say it is my workshop order. So I'm going to have a host code each week or each month. I'm not sure which one this is, whether it's the host code one or the other one. It might be my other one. I've got two coming. We get lots of air in our boxes. Keep everything safe. No, this might be the other one actually. Oh, I thought it was the workshop one. So what have we got in here? Look at that. Oh, this is some new products. How exciting. I thought it was my workshop one. Well, I'll open that another day when that arrives. I think it'll be tomorrow. So, as a demonstrator, we can pre-order some products that are coming out. So this is some of them. Ooh, you get a sneak preview. I've got a couple of stamping blocks. And what else have we got in here? So this is the new Eden dies. So that's very exciting. Quick sneak preview. And we've got some joined Stampin' Up brochures, so I can send them out with my catalogues. And speaking of catalogues, pretty sure we got some catalogues here. So the Eden's Garden is coming out to customers in November. But if you're a demonstrator, you can pre-order it now, which is really cool. If you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like one, I'm happy to be your demonstrator in Australia. And if you need a catalogue, just let me know. I've got a whole box full now. These are the annual catalogues. Aren't they lovely when they're brand new? Mine's looking a bit worn. I use it a lot. So there's the annual catalogue. If you'd like to get one of those, I'm happy to post one out to you. So I do that complimentary for my customers. Move that out of the way. What else have I got in the bottom of the box? Must be more of the Eden set. Oh, look at that. Ever Eden Specialty Designer Series paper. So this is part of that new set that's coming out in November. Oh, hi, guy. Welcome. And there's some more specialty paper to go with that, so I'll have to be making some things with that soon. And we've just got our thank you sheet like we always get. Just say thank you for your order. Thanks for joining me. I'll do another one when I get my other box. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm hoping that one comes. Now the other box will be a workshop order. So when I do my host code every month, when people purchase and put it on my host code, it builds up for a workshop, and I use all that, and then I can get the Stampin' rewards and put that back into my business. So I usually get some things that I can do as giveaways, like things like this, some bling and dimensionals, stuff like that. That was from my last order, and that way we can keep the ball rolling, and it's all very exciting. You get a little gift if you spend over $50 with me. So that's always nice for both of us. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you tonight, 8:30 on my same page. And I'll see you then. I'm going to be making a card with this fold. Okay. We're going to show you how to do that. Ciao.